Hi, I'm Marlon and I'm with the Reddie group. Today I'm talking about our IP66 outdoor rated displays. They come in different sizes and different use cases. We start with our 43-inch, 49-inch or 55-inch displays. This is a nice 43-inch display. It's IP66 rated, so it's weatherproof, outdoor rated, HD quality and taking any different weather conditions. It can be in an enclosure like our drive-through monitor, so it can be placed in a drive-through enclosure, it can be in a regular wall-mount enclosure, it can use it in different use cases. These are 55-inch, the 55-inch version of the monitor, and we also have it available in as large as 65-inch and 75-inch IP66 rated displays. You can find more information about this on reddiegroup.com. That's REDDIE group.com.